In today's video, I am going to teach you how to solve the billing problem in Kit in the system. If you are seeing a billing warning, a failed payment notice, or you just need to update your card, the fix is usually done from the billing area in your account settings. I will walk you through exactly where to go and what to click, so you can get your account back in good standing as quickly as possible. First, look to the bottom left corner of the Kit screen. You will see your account name there. Click your account name and then select Settings. This takes you to the main place where Kit stores your account-level options, including plan and payment information. Once you are in Settings, look to the left sidebar, find Billing and click it. This opens the billing page, where you can review your payment method and any recent billing activity. If there is an issue, Kit typically surfaces it here, so this is the best place to start. On the billing page, look for the section labeled Payment Method. In that area, you should see an option to change or update your payment method. Click Change or Update, depending on what your screen shows. Then enter your new credit card or payment details carefully. Take your time and double-check the card number, expiration date, and security code, since a small typo can cause another failure. When everything looks correct, click Save to store the updated payment method. If your billing problem happened because a recent payment failed, there is one more important action. At the top of the billing page, Kit will often display a notice about an outstanding balance. In that case, you should see a button labeled Retry Payment. Click Retry Payment to attempt the charge again using your updated payment method. Stay on the page for a moment to confirm the retry completes successfully and watch for any confirmation message or status change. After that, your billing issue should be resolved and your account access should return to normal if it was restricted. That covers everything you need to know.